Hi everybody, it's me Bianca from Manhattan Physical Therapy, and today we're talking about shoulder pain, specifically rotator cuff pain. So one of the most common complaints that we get in New York City is shoulder pain, specifically the rotator cuff. And here's what you need to know. Rest is a quick fix, but it's a short-term fix. We want to make sure that we're getting to the underlying root cause of the problem and the pain. The rotator cuff needs progressive rehab. So we move into 3 phases. Our first phase is to reduce inflammation and restore mobility. Phase 2, we want to strengthen the rotator cuff and scapular stabilization. For stage 3, we move into more overhead movements and more return to sport activity. At Manhattan Physical Therapy, we have suspension therapy to help strengthen the muscles that we need to and work on scapular stabilization without causing any sort of pain. Because oftentimes, when we're in our really acute phases of pain or of our injury, it's very easy to irritate the muscles, and this is a great way for us to do it pain-free. So how long does rotator cuff rehab take? For most patients, it could take 8 to 12 weeks, but for more complex tears, it might take a little bit longer, but the key is to follow the right plan. At Manhattan Physical Therapy, we combine hands-on therapy and the exercises that you need to strengthen those muscles to get back into functional daily activity and returning to your sport. Bye, see you guys later.